Hello guys, welcome to the channel. And today guys, we're gonna show my Lego movie toys. But it's a movie toys. Okay guys, if you like to subscribe, just subscribe. Okay guys, let's just have a cup. Sorry. And then I have my Kinky Dora, Lego Kinky Dora guys, and this is what he look like. And if you move his head like this or like this and do like this so guys, and he folded, I broke the head, so sorry guys, I broke the head. I'm gonna put it back. And guys and then I have my Angus toy, but this is where he look like Angus, like that. So we're gonna show Mothra. This is where he look like. So cute. And then guys, his size is like this. Okay. And then guys, I'm gonna show Godzilla, my favorite toy. And this is where he look like. Okay guys, and this is his head guys. And this is muscle over here, but he don't have moving his mouth. You can move his mouth like this, like that. But my kuya have articulation Godzilla too, but it's on the box. Bye guys, subscribe if you like to subscribe.